Welcome. In this episode, we're going to build part 6-11, connecting rod strap for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 6-11, connecting rod strap for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's go File, New, MMGS. Alright, let's go to right plane, sketch. It's going to be like a back to front C with a knob on top. If that's one way of putting it. We'll go to point. We're going to start here, go across, up, across, not quite back to where it was, up, across, up, up, thank you, about there, up, across, down, back to there, and down to there. Okay, that should be, there we go. Oop. And that one should be horizontal. There we go. All right, so these 2 points here, this point and this point should be vertical. There we go. Okay, dimension. So from here to there will be 6. This line here will be 66. This line here will be 61. Ooh, hold on. One wrong. Why is that? Oh, sorry. That should be 67. And then that one there should be 61. It is perfect. There we go. This is going to be 9. Nope, not there. That line. 9. And that's going to be 9 as well. Yes, it is. Do that one 9. If I can click on it, there we go. 9. And that's going to be 32. Let me just do it from there. 32. Let me just zoom in. There we go. Okay, up top there's going to be 12. This line there, 12. It's going to be 16 from there to there. 16. Why is that one not? Oh, that point put vertical. There we go. That just locked that line in. Now we've got 9. We go back to smart dimension. From there to there is 9. Yep. And it's already fully defined, but I just want to check something. This here should be 39. It is perfect. Okay. Add that dimension on there. I just want to make sure. Okay, so that's the main sketch done. Let's go feature, extrude, and that's going to be a width of 19. Mid plane, and done. Beautiful. Okay, so we've got 2 holes here. Now we've got a hole here. This hole here in the instruction says drill after assembly, which is right here. Drill after assembly. But we're going to put that in now, just so we remember later. So it lines up with something else. I know there's something else. Next piece, next piece has got a drill after assembly as well. Actually, let me show you that too. So you got, where is it? Lost it. There it is. That's next piece building. It's going to be drill after assembly there as well. But I'm going to put them in now, just so otherwise probably forget. So this one, we're going to do normal. Yeah, normal 2, yep. And sketch. It's going to be 2 holes. 1, 2. They're going to be equal to each other. Then smart dimension, the hole is 6 mil. 6 mil. Oh. 6 mil, thank you. Now, they are center. Go from there to there. 9.5, beautiful. That's locked that way. Now it's going to be from this point to that point. It's going to be 8. These dimensions probably sound familiar. They match up with the piece we had before. Okay, and it's going to be 12. Yep. The, what's it called? Connecting rod. The end of that goes in this one. And that was 12. Nope, not 12 divide, 12. Thank you. 8, 12, yep. And that's going to be all through. Yes, it is all through. They are not threaded. Nope, they're not threaded. So feature, through cut, through all, and done. Okay, let's go this surface here. Actually, let me just exit out that for a moment. Normal 2 first. Sketch. It's going to be a circle. Actually, you know, I'm going to actually, let me go to sketch. We're going to do something a little bit different on this one. We're going to do a hole wizard this one. Because it's going to be that one there, hole. It's going to be 9 mil. No, 9 mil. 8 and 10. That stinks. Okay, not going to do that one. Got 8, but no 9. Let's go sketch. Circle. It's going to be 9 mil. 9. Let's put that point, and if we touch the edge of that circle. Oh, it doesn't. Okay. Oh, it did. My bad. That point there. There you go. That's now vertical. And we have got center. So that's 9. Oh, sorry, it's 12. Sorry. So from this point to this point will be 6. There we go. That's going to be feature, extrude cut, down, 12. Okay. Now if we go, yep, so if we do that again, I'm not going to do normal, sketch, circle, touch on that one, so we've got center there. That's going to be 2 mil. 2 mil. That's going to be, that's locked in because it's clicked into the center point of that circle. Feature, extrude cut. Now that's good, it goes through, but I'm going to go up to surface, and I'm going to click that surface. That way I know it's in the correct one. Now if we scroll in, we do a chamfer 45, but it's going to be, how? Oh, it was 9, so 4.5. What does that do again? Actually, that might be good. Oop. Let me go, okay. There you go. Actually, that worked that time. Let me just go to front plane, normal. Let's go down to that one. It worked pretty good. So we have to work sooner or later. All right, that worked. That's what I wanted. Perfect. But we're not quite done yet. Almost. Let me just rotate that. Now we want to fill it. Do 2 mil to see what that does. No, probably 1 mil. Doesn't give a 1 mil. Doesn't give a dimension on there, but it shows all this as chamfered. Fill it, sorry. Including, yeah, including all this. So what you think? Now you can click on the face too. That should do it too. I click on that face. Oh, okay. Click on that face, that face, that face, that face. So if I actually clear all this, let me just clear everything. Clear selection. So there's all that side done. There's all that side done. There's the ends done. We do the top. Oh, not that one. That one. Nope. That one, thank you. Top there, top there. I don't need to click that, it's already done. What happened? Oh, there we go. That should be done. Let me click OK. So that should be every place done. Oh, I'm going to change that. I don't want that area there done. Let me go fill it, edit. Let me undo that one. We do that point. And that one there. There we go. I could have done 2 faces as well. I just want to show how it can be, you can use multiple areas. There you go. Ooh. Yeah, I don't want these done here too, so okay. Let's go back to fill it. Undo that one. Do that line there. And go out. Yep, done on this. There's done, that's fine. But everything else is done by the looks. Yep. There we go. Zoom in. All right, that looks done. Let's make sure. Yes, it is. That is part 6-11. Connecting rod strap done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, and subscribe. Do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep on building.